Chef and I are in Indranagar right now. She just came back from work. It's a Friday evening and we don't know where to go for dinner. Chef, what are we feeling?
I think y'all should suggest in the comments.
Yeah, y'all should suggest where we should go in Bangalore.
Right now. We want to know right now.
Chat, where should we go? Because we are having a tough time deciding, okay? Because we aren't craving for anything particular. Are you?
Yes, sushi.
You're craving for sushi? Kal, chalo. I'll first take her to Daily Sushi. We'll get one sushi at least and then we'll go wherever we need to go. Okay? She thinks she's not looking good, but I really like her fit today. You know, it matches her vibe. I told her, you look good, I'll take you to some place fancy. And she's like, no, I am wearing Birkenstock, I'm not going fancy.
Yeah, you are wearing loafers, looking all like
Yeah, I am looking good. Show them how I'm looking. Yeah, not better than her, but I still think I look good today. Wearing that nice glossy party shirt, some chinos, loafers. I think even I look good. So even I wanted to go fancy.
Are you planning to take some other girl out after me? Is that why you're dressed fancy? Is she wearing a dress?
I didn't tell her I'm dressing fancy today. That's why she's so upset. She's like, if you told me even I would have put effort. Guys, we're taking a picture here. A lot of you guys will never get the opportunity to be in a closed space like this with a girl. So I'm showing it to you guys. I'm doing it for research purposes only, okay? And this is what it is. Color, number of strips, proceed. 200 rupees. Scan the QR to make a payment. Chef, you will have to pay.
My phone is unavailable for two.
Oh my god, guys. I make her pay once and she's like, her phone show.
It literally says iPhone unavailable, try again.
Dekh rahe ho, guys?
See, this is a sign that you should pay all the time.
Fine. I look jacked. It is done, guys. Okay, we are so dumb, we didn't even change poses. We're literally holding the same pose throughout. आप देख रहे हो guys, मैं इतने अच्छे कपड़े पहना हूँ और ये कोई तो सरोजनी के कपड़े पहन के आ गई है. So we've ordered 3 things. One is a tuna maki, which is like a sushi roll. One is ramen, chicken miso ramen, and one more is a what is that?
Bento box.
Bento box kind of a thing with grilled chicken in it. So excited to try.
It's like a lunch box, like a kid's lunch box.
Japanese kids go to school with that fancy lunch box. Now it's like that. So I wanted to try. If I grew up in Japan, how would life be?
I think you wouldn't be this fat.
If I went to Japan? Yeah, I'd never be fat if I went to Japan. Looks like they know who we are. We got a complimentary drink as well. And now let's try the tuna maki. Cheers, chef. First bite of food on this Friday evening.
With me. Let's go.
Guys, this is like the bento box chicken. That looks so good. That's exactly what I wanted, man. Some plain rice and chicken. Bobbies, just look at that. Oh, my ramen is also here. Yeah, thank you. Miso ramen, guys. This is one of the most calorie friendly ramens. It does not have that rich broth and it has a grilled chicken instead of fried. So everything is great. Thank you so much. But first I want to try my sticky rice. Do you think I can eat rice with this?
You can try.
I've never done rice with yeah, I can't do rice.
Come on, you can do it.
Nah, there's no way I can do rice with chopsticks. Let's try the grilled chicken, bro. I told them less oil, less sauce. I love the grilled chicken. It has mushroom in it.
Yeah, I can see. Fresh.
I'm so glad I came here. Thank you, chef. Let's move on to the ramen. We shall give this to chef. Let her enjoy it. I really want to try the ramen. Thank you, my lady. Let's try the ramen. Wheat noodles, huh? This is not your maida noodles. I'm never going to Japan, so I guess I'll try it all here itself. A miso ramen isn't going to be bursting with flavor, but it's exactly what I wanted because I didn't want something high fat. I wanted something high carb, moderate fat. It's been so long since we ate roti sabzi. Do you want to go for roti sabzi after this? We'll see. We'll see if you want to eat Indian after this. Guys, that entire bowl is only 600 calories. So it's worth the taste calorie wise, right?
But very nice, bro. I can't complain. No complaints.
Guys, after a lovely meal at Daily Sushi and lovely service, we've now come out and I feel like eating Vietnamese pho. So we are going to Forbidden Fruit, which is just up the road on Indranagar 12th Main itself. This restaurant, by the way, is the oldest restaurant on 12th Main. So it stood the test of time. I've been here in 2021. I don't remember much how it was. So let's go and enjoy. Guys, we are now at Forbidden Fruit. Look at this place. It's a very romantic vibe here, right?
Yeah, very pretty, very aesthetic.
Beautiful place. I've ordered one chicken pho and one chicken banh mi. Chicken bami is basically a baguette sandwich, and a pho is again like a noodle soup.
Wow, so much English you have learnt in 2 days.
What English? Noodle soup is English now. Pho is not even English. Pho is Vietnamese. Talking about Vietnam, Chef and I wanted to go to Vietnam, but I had to back out for one reason. Because first, I don't have a passport.
Second, he doesn't have money.
Money, at least I can arrange somehow, because Vietnam is not that expensive. It's almost like a Goa trip only. The main reason I didn't go is because Vietnamese food has shellfish. Almost every Vietnamese dish, they use some form of shellfish, at least as a fried crumb or something. And I'm allergic to shellfish. And I don't want to be in a hospital in Vietnam. That's like top 10 worst experiences, right? Imagine being in a hospital in some other country.
Because of you, I've also stopped eating shellfish.
You're making a free will decision. I didn't influence it. You're doing it by yourself.
I'm being nice to you. Say thank you.
Okay, thanks. So now I'm excited for this pho because it has suddenly started raining. The weather suddenly got cold, and that warm broth is going to be nice.
At 5 p.m., he was like, I don't think we should come here because it's not the weather. And then the weather changes.
Yeah. This is my banh mi. As you can tell, it's a French baguette which is cut in the center and loaded with veggies and meat. The meat here is chicken. It's very famous in Vietnam with all types of meat. Usually pork is what they eat there. I'm not a fan of pork, so look at that cross section. Are you sure you don't want?
You taste first.
Really fresh. I really like it. But yeah, the baguette is very crisp and hard. How is it?
Very fresh.
Oh, my pho is also here. Thank you, brother. Amazing. Great choice coming here. Good choice, okay, Mohit. Proud of yourself. So here in Bangalore, this is 450 rupees. But on the streets of Vietnam, guess how much it costs?
I want to say 70 rupees.
Chicken is there.
Oh, okay.
150 is what you get it for. 150, 200 in Vietnam. There is so much dhania patta in this. Chef and I are big fans of dhania patta. Coriander in anything, we feel like it just enhances the flavor 10x.
If it's a home cooked meal, I cannot eat it if there's no dhania in it.
There's no dhania in it. Say dhania.
Curry leaf. Oh, sorry. Coriander.
Oh my god, curry leaf it seems. This is so good that I want to get another one. Let's try this chicken pho. Pho ki spelling hoti hai P-H-O. Oh, she's taking a picture. It does not look that pretty. Come on. Okay, let's try the broth first.
Looks like vegetables.
I'm getting a hit of cinnamon. Dalchini. Cinnamon, dalchini.
Balls is not called dalchini.
Cinnamon is called dalchini. You know or I know. I think I need more time to adapt to that kind of a broth. High carb meal. Huh? Tomorrow I'm going to send it at the gym. I like it. Very mellow dish. Brother, can you please tell me what this is? Bean sprouts. Okay. We put the bean sprouts into the soup, broth, whatever you want to call it, and then eat it. It's very low on flavor. Guys, you see how rice has no taste? These noodles are rice noodles and they have no taste of its own. Boss, the flavor is in this. What is that, chef? Some sauce. Take some of that and eat with the noodles. It's so freaking good. First, you need to put some of that sauce, chef. Yeah, take that sauce, put it on your noodles. All the flavor is in that. Yeah, that's a good amount. How is it? Significantly better, right?
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, I really like it with that sauce. I think it's a peanut sauce, no?
Peanut and chili.
Peanut and chili. Let's make one big bite. Chicken, noodles. Can you please put some of that sauce? Thank you. And now lastly, can you put some white onion? Okay, that's a bite.